Akosha's tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making what we call Bankye Kaaklo, a very popular snack in Ghana. So please stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing is to peel the cassava. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then just peel my cassava. But let me tell you a story. So back in school, there is this woman who used to sell this snack, and then she always brings it during the lunchtime. And then I had a crush on a guy, so whenever I'm going to buy this snack, I was so shy, so I'll send my friend to buy it for me because I really loved it. And then by the time she brings it to me, she will eat like 3 or 4. I'll be so mad, but because the guy is around, I cannot even make any gestures. Okay, this was very popular snack, as I said, and was very delicious. Please keep watching so that you will know what I'm talking about. So when I'm done peeling the cassava, I'll go ahead and then wash it, okay? And then I will be grating this cassava. So after washing it, I just place it in the water, okay? So that when I'm grating, I can also rinse my hand. So I'll use this side of the grater to grate the cassava.
Tasty recipe. Recipe. Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we give you recipe.
Okay, so at this point, I'm done grating the cassava, and then this is how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and then use a kitchen towel to strain out the water, okay? Do not use colander because you wouldn't get out all the water from the cassava. If you don't have this kind of kitchen towel, you can go ahead and then use your kitchen napkin, okay? Yes, so strain out all the water from the cassava. Okay, so this is how the cassava looks like after straining out the water. It looks dry, so you have to use your hand to flake it like gari, okay? You have to get that gari texture, all right? It shouldn't be wet, okay? So please make sure to strain out the water. Okay, so I'll set it aside and then go ahead and chop some onions. If you don't have a chopper, you can just use a knife to chop it into smaller pieces. We will be adding this to the cassava to give it good flavor, all right?
Akosia recipe, we give you recipe. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we go give you recipe. Yeah, Banko, Shita, Kenke, Ebedi, Ediane, Plenty.
Okay, so this is the chopped onions. So I'm going to add this to the cassava. As I said, if you don't have a chopper, don't worry, you can just use a knife to cut that in smaller pieces, but I don't have that energy and then I don't want to cry. So I'll go ahead and add salt to taste, okay? So this depends on how you want it. I'm not fan of too much salt, but if you do want a lot of salt, you can add, okay? So mix everything together and then I will just make it into balls. You just pick any size that you want and then make it into round shapes, just like that.
Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we give you recipe. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we go give you recipe. Akosia tasty.
Okay, so now everything is ready, so I'll proceed and fry. Please make sure to preheat the oil to 160 degrees and deep fry, okay, so that the cassava balls or the Bankye Kaaklo will not be soggy. The English name I've given this is cassava balls, just like potato balls or yam balls, okay? Yes, and then give it time to fry until golden brown. I prefer frying it on medium heat so that the inside will also cook and then the outside will be golden brown or beautifully fried. Okay, so it's done, and then I'll just shake it to get out the excess oil. Then I'll proceed and put it on the rack to get out more oil. You can also put it on a kitchen towel or your colander, all right? Okay, so this is best served with coconut. Okay, so I will show you how crunchy it is. All right, so thank you very much for watching this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, okay? And then please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will be notified. So God bless you all. I love you all. Bye.
Recipe.